Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Who wrote the novel, The Scarlet Letter? A. Herman Melville, B. Nathaniel Hawthorne, C. Mark Twain, D. Henry James. The right answer is option B. Nathaniel Hawthorne wrote The Scarlet Letter, a major American novel. It deals with sin, guilt, and Puritan society. Next question. The essay, Self-Reliance, was written by A. Ralph Waldo Emerson, B. Henry David Thoreau, C. Walt Whitman, D. Edgar Allan Poe. The right answer is option A. Emerson wrote Self-Reliance, a key text of American transcendentalism. It emphasizes individualism and inner strength. Next question. Who wrote Leaves of Grass? A. Emily Dickinson, B. Walt Whitman, C. Robert Frost, D. Ezra Pound. The right answer is option B. Walt Whitman authored Leaves of Grass, a revolutionary collection of American poetry. It celebrates democracy and human spirit. Next question. The novel, Moby Dick, is written by A. Herman Melville, B. Nathaniel Hawthorne, C. Mark Twain, D. Henry James. The right answer is option A. Herman Melville wrote Moby Dick, a symbolic novel about obsession and revenge. It is considered a masterpiece of American literature. Next question. Who is known as the father of American short story? A. Edgar Allan Poe, B. Washington Irving, C. Mark Twain, D. O. Henry. The right answer is option A. Edgar Allan Poe established the modern form of short story. He also developed the genre of detective fiction. Next question. Who wrote the play, Death of a Salesman? A. Arthur Miller, B. Tennessee Williams, C. Eugene O'Neill, D. Edward Albee. The right answer is option A. Arthur Miller wrote Death of a Salesman. The play critiques the American dream and modern capitalism. Next question. The term, Jazz Age, is associated with A. Ernest Hemingway, B. F. Scott Fitzgerald, C. William Faulkner, D. John Steinbeck. The right answer is option B. F. Scott Fitzgerald depicted the Jazz Age in novels like The Great Gatsby. His works reflect the glamour and emptiness of 1920 America. Next question. Who wrote The Old Man and the Sea? A. Ernest Hemingway, B. John Steinbeck, C. William Faulkner, D. Mark Twain. The right answer is option A. Hemingway wrote The Old Man and the Sea, a novella about human endurance. It won him the Nobel Prize in Literature. Next question. Which movement is associated with Emerson and Thoreau? A. Realism, B. Transcendentalism, C. Naturalism, D. Symbolism. The right answer is option B. Transcendentalism stressed spiritual intuition and harmony with nature. Emerson and Thoreau were its main thinkers. Next question. Who wrote The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn? A. Mark Twain, B. Herman Melville, C. Nathaniel Hawthorne, D. Henry James. The right answer is option A. Mark Twain wrote this classic American novel. It critiques racism and social hypocrisy through satire. Next question. The concept of iceberg theory is linked with A. Ernest Hemingway, B. T. S. Eliot, C. Ezra Pound, D. William Faulkner. The right answer is option A. Hemingway proposed the iceberg theory of writing. It means deeper meanings remain beneath the surface of the text. Next question. Who wrote The Sound and the Fury? A. John Steinbeck, B. William Faulkner, C. Ernest Hemingway, D. F. Scott Fitzgerald. The right answer is option B. William Faulkner wrote this modernist novel. It uses stream of consciousness technique. Next question. Who wrote The Glass Menagerie? A. Arthur Miller, B. Tennessee Williams, C. Eugene O'Neill, D. Sam Shepard. The right answer is option B. Tennessee Williams wrote The Glass Menagerie. The play explores memory and fragile human dreams. Next question. Who wrote the poem Because I Could Not Stop for Death? A. Emily Dickinson, B. Walt Whitman, C. Robert Frost, D. Sylvia Plath. The right answer is option A. Emily Dickinson wrote this famous poem on death and immortality. Her style is brief and deeply symbolic. Next question. The Harlem Renaissance is related to A. African American literature, B. Postmodern literature, C. Beat generation, D. Romantic poetry. The right answer is option A. The Harlem Renaissance was a cultural movement of black writers and artists. It flourished in 1920 America. Next question. Who wrote Beloved? A. Toni Morrison, B. Alice Walker, C. Maya Angelou, D. Zora Neale Hurston. The right answer is option A. Toni Morrison wrote Beloved. The novel deals with slavery and African American history. Next question. Who wrote the poem, The Road Not Taken? A. Robert Frost, B. Wallace Stevens, C. Ezra Pound, D. William Carlos Williams. The right answer is option A. Robert Frost wrote this famous poem on choice and individuality. It is a classic of American poetry. Next question. Who wrote The Great Gatsby? A. Ernest Hemingway, B. F. Scott Fitzgerald, C. William Faulkner, D. John Steinbeck. The right answer is option B. Fitzgerald's novel portrays the illusion of the American dream. It is a major work of modern American fiction. Next question. Who is associated with Imagism? A. Ezra Pound, B. T. S. Eliot, C. W. B. Yeats, D. Robert Frost. The right answer is option A. Ezra Pound led the Imagist movement. It stressed clarity, precision, and economy of language. Question for you. Who wrote the novel, Invisible Man? A. Ralph Ellison, B. Richard Wright, C. James Baldwin, D. Toni Morrison. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.